How to make him open up again. When distance or silence enters a relationship, it can feel unsettling. Many men close themselves off when overwhelmed, but with the right approach, you can encourage honesty and closeness once more. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Learning how to make him open up again requires patience, empathy, and consistency. 1. Create a safe space. He will only share if he feels secure. Avoid criticism or judgment. Show through your tone and presence that you are approachable and supportive. Safety leads to trust, and trust leads to openness. 2. Pick the right time. Pressuring him when he is stressed or distracted only creates resistance. Choose calm, quiet moments to invite conversation. Timing makes all the difference when rebuilding connection. 3. Ask gentle questions. Direct demands often shut him down. Instead, ask open-ended questions like, "How are you feeling about everything lately?" These soft invitations allow him to share at his own pace. 4. Listen fully. Interrupting or offering quick solutions can make him withdraw. Give him space to finish his thoughts. Silence can be powerful when paired with attentive listening. 5. Validate his feelings. Even if you do not agree, acknowledge his emotions. Saying, "I understand why that would be difficult," shows respect. Validation encourages him to continue opening up. 6. Share your own vulnerability. Openness is contagious. By revealing your own worries or hopes, you show that being honest is safe. Mutual sharing strengthens intimacy and makes him more willing to confide. 7. Be patient and consistent. Do not expect instant results. Show steady kindness and reassurance over time. Consistency proves that you are someone he can trust with his deeper thoughts. Understanding how to make him open up again is about more than words. It is about creating an environment of trust, empathy, and patience. When he feels safe and valued, silence gives way to conversation, and emotional closeness naturally returns. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.